In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image duration in Clipchamp easily. Whether you're editing a photo slideshow or adding still images to your video project, controlling the duration for which each image is displayed is key to maintaining a smooth flow. Let's jump right in and get started on making that easy in Clipchamp. First, let's head over to clipchamp.com. This is where we'll find everything we need to begin editing our images into our video project. If you're not already signed in, look towards the top right of the screen and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page. You'll want to continue by clicking on Continue with Microsoft. This option allows for a seamless sign-in process if you have a Microsoft account. When prompted, select your Microsoft account to gain access to Clipchamp. Now once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here you'll see the option to create a new video. Go ahead and click on Create a New Video. This will open the video editor where you can start visualizing your project. In the editor, look for the button that says Import Media. Click on this to upload your images, which will be the focus of our editing today. After your images have been imported successfully, it's time to drag and drop them onto the timeline. This is your workspace where you can see the sequence of elements in your video project. If you're new to using timelines in video editors, just think of it as a storyboard where you lay out your video scenes in order. Now here's where you can adjust the image duration. Click on the image in the timeline. You should see handles on both sides of the image block that appear when you select it. These handles allow you to change the duration that the image stays on screen. To make the image duration longer, simply click and drag the right handle further along the timeline. Conversely, if you want to shorten the duration, drag the handle to the left. Keep an eye on the timestamp as you adjust. This timestamp provides precise feedback on how long the image will be displayed in seconds. It's a very handy feature that ensures you have the exact duration you intended, especially if you're syncing images with music or other video elements. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the image duration in Clipchamp. Remember, getting the timing right can significantly impact the viewing experience, so feel free to experiment until it's just right.